this video. So I've just picked my carrots, that's on a video I've just linked below. This is the video where I'm going to store them in sand. Now it's worth pointing out as well, you can store any root vegetable like this. I've got my beetroots, I like to keep them in the ground. I like to do this with carrots though, because if you're keeping carrots in the ground, it's just more time for the insects and pests to get at them. So it's the old fashioned method, so it's sand or sawdust, moist. And I've just got an old wooden box drawer kind thing here. And pair of scissors for the tops, sand, any kind of sand. And I've got a little bin here for the waste, for the tops to go in the compost. Now, I'll get straight to it. I don't like wasting people's time. I appreciate you clicking on the video to watch. So if you're new to the channel, I'll film as much as I can in the allotment and post it all to YouTube. So I've got stacks of videos so you can check them out. Now, what we're also doing before we chop the tops off is just have a little look to see if there's any blemishes or marks or any little holes. You know, obviously carrot root fly is what you would call it, a popular pest. Not so popular, probably prolific. It's probably the better word. So we're just checking. If everything's fine, it'll go in there. If it's not fine, I'll take it back to the house and try and eat that one as soon as possible. If it's too far gone, it'll go in the compost. So all we're doing with the carrots, got the tops on there, you just cut it, what am I leaving there, probably half a centimetre, just half a little centimetre of green there, and we're just putting it on top of the sand or sawdust. Now it's important that when you're putting them in the box that they don't touch, so you want like a good sort of, say, half an inch to an inch between them, that way if frost does set in then they're not going to be in contact with each other. Basically what we're doing with layering, so we're going to get a layer of root vegetables, sand on top, so you want to pretty much cover the first layer with sand, another layer of carrots or any root vegetable, again cover with sand, and again, so that way they're all enclosed in the moist sand. Now it's raining here, so this sand's moist, but if it's not, if you just get a little spray, you know, what do you call them, a little water spray type bottle, just keep spraying the sand, just moist but not wet. There we are, so I've got 2 layers of carrots in here, completely covered. I don't know if you can see that, hopefully you can. Now these are going to go in the little outhouse that we've got. Now you want to check these every couple of days just to make sure there's no sign of rotting. Just scrape away the layer of sand just to the top layer, just inspect a few. You can also smell it as well. And you want to be stored not too cold but not too warm, so nothing under freezing. So a garage or something is perfect. So if there's signs of growth, particularly to the green tops, then it's too hot and you just want to try and cool it down and find a cooler space. Now, if you've liked this video, if you can give it a thumbs up, because YouTube will get a hold of it and send it to more people, that'd be absolutely great. If you thought it's good enough to subscribe to the channel, that's even better. I've got lots of similar videos like this. I film everything I do in the allotments here, so you can check out the other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.